GMA Garnet. One of the hardest and toughest natural minerals on the face of the earth, mined and refined to the highest possible industrial quality. GMA Garnet is the premium sandblasting and water jet cutting abrasive, a product of excellence produced by the leading garnet manufacturer worldwide.
GMA is an Australian company, and over the last 25 years we have taken this unique Australian product to every corner of the world.
The unique GMA Garnet product range has successfully conquered all relevant markets on every continent. The source of GMA Garnet's global enterprise is the coast of Western Australia. Here the company operates the biggest mineral garnet mine in the world and produces highly refined, non-toxic industrial garnet from its mining and wet processing operations. Through a unique geological history of erosion and deposition, these dune sands contain the highest quality garnet available.
GMA Garnet is almandine variety of garnet, which is the toughest, hardest form of garnet.
Dump trucks take the ore to stockpile and feed hoppers at GMA's wet plant. In a first step during the refining process, coarse rocks are separated from the finer sands. The garnet concentrate travels on a vacuum filter belt through several stages of washing with fresh water to ensure that the GMA garnet made product has very low chloride levels, well below internationally accepted standards. In the wet concentrator spiral classifiers, which use water and gravity-induced centrifugal forces, garnet is separated from the lighter trash minerals and shell sands. What emerges from the wet plant along the garnet conveyor and pipelines is garnet concentrate, along with the separated tailing sands. These tailing sands are trucked back to replace the mined dunes.
Once the garnet has been removed, then all the quartz and beach sand virtually is put back into the ground and covered with topsoil. You wouldn't know that mining had taken place at all.
All the mined tailing sands are reshaped to original contours and rehabilitated with seeds for natural growth. The stockpiled garnet is left for 3 to 6 months to drain. Then this new semi-refined garnet concentrate is trucked 100 kilometres south to GMA's extensive dry processing and dispatch facility near the port of Geraldton. Here, even more sophisticated refining takes place. The incoming garnet concentrate feeds through natural gas-fired rotary dryers and onto rare earth magnetic separators to remove any last impurities. Non-magnetic minerals spin off in an outer cut. The separated garnet forms a middle strain, and the more magnetic minerals fall below. Now the pure and refined GMA garnet passes through a series of vibrating screens, which grade the product into various size ranges for its eventual use in the abrasive blasting or water jet cutting industries.
We've always had a good team here. I say the guys take a lot of pride in working for GMA, as it's almost a family operation. It's a very good company to work for. They've looked after us and we hopefully look after them.
The state-of-the-art operations at GMA's Geraldton plant run 24 hours a day, producing over 300,000 tonnes of standard heavy mineral concentrate a year. Strict sampling and laboratory tests prove garnet purity, size analysis, chlorides and conductivity.
Every day we get shift samples and grab samples from the plant and we analyse them for a size analysis and magnetic separation to ensure that the product that's going out to our customers is of a high quality.
It is through constant quality control monitoring that GMA Garnet can guarantee the consistently high standard of its superior product. The end line of the dry processing plant is the packaging section, with automatic twin spout bagging machines that fill paper bags, supplying to robotic palletising equipment. Loose garnet also flows into 2-tonne bulk bags. All of it is stored at warehouses at the plant and in GMA's logistics centre in Perth, 400 kilometres south, from where the packaged product is shipped out in containers to GMA's world markets. Bulk garnet is stockpiled in GMA's large storage sheds in Geraldton Port for shipping out in loose bulk loads to GMA's regional bulk warehouses and packaging plants across the globe.
We distribute the product right down to the final end user all over the world.
GMA Garnet is the world's largest supplier of industrial almandite garnet and meets a constantly growing demand that is highly diversified. It includes the use of GMA garnet as a blast medium in the surface preparation industry to clean ship hulls, for the construction of expertly manufactured trains, the laying of record-breaking pipelines and the fabrication and maintenance of giant onshore and offshore structures for the oil and gas industry. GMA Garnet has several advantages over conventional abrasives. It is virtually dust-free and has twice the productivity on most blasting surfaces. Today, more and more high-tech industries use GMA Garnet for precision water jet cutting of their most sophisticated components, such as the world's major aircraft and automobile manufacturing companies. From its global headquarter in the Western Australian capital of Perth, GMA Garnet directs its international enterprise with a managerial precision and practical expertise that have made this company the largest supplier of industrial garnet in the world.
Our teams of highly specialized sales and logistic managers sell GMA Garnet abrasive to all relevant users inside the waterjet cutting and sandblasting industry.
Through local sales offices in all key markets, such as here in Hamburg, Germany, GMA can deliver any amount of highly refined garnet, anywhere, anytime. GMA's clients rely on the company's expansive sales and distribution network and professional product support, just as much as on the superior quality of the refined products in every relevant sandblasting and waterjet cutting industry. One major advantage of GMA Garnet is that this natural mineral can be recycled up to 5 times in recycling plants in Jubail, Saudi Arabia, and in Dubai, in La Spezia, Italy, and in New Orleans, USA.
We bring spent material from sandblasting and waterjet from all over the US, and we recycle it, repackage it, and sell it as our GMR product.
Here, the used garnet arrives from clients around the USA and Latin America. This garnet material is blended from many different sources and is then processed through the new state-of-the-art recycling system. After the product has been dried, it is screened and run through a magnetic separator to be fully processed and graded. Highest quality controls with strict sampling prove the size and purity of the quality processed GMR garnet product. The various grades of green GMR garnet are then distributed for immediate reuse throughout the world. Next to the classic Australian GMA garnet, the recycled GMR and other garnet products, such as American GMX garnet, mined in Montana, USA, now complete the GMA family. With a focused vision into the future, GMA Garnet takes pride in the fact that all of its products have been proven to be the highest quality natural abrasives and cutting media available in the modern era.
GMA Garnet really is the industry standard. We have a very, very high standard of purity and mineral composition, and we have a very strong customer service network that provides big support to our customers wherever they are.
GMA Garnet's success is based on an exceptional natural product and on the company's complete control of the whole production and distribution cycle, from mining over processing, logistics, shipping and distribution, to the final user worldwide, as well as reprocessing and recycling. GMA is the industry standard, a success that is endorsed by an ever-growing stream of users across the globe. GMA Garnet, when your abrasive matters.